Hi guys, so here's the deal. I got this Roxio Creator 2012 Professional photo, video, etc. editing program. Just installed it to my Windows 8 computer. Went to launch the program. I went to use the edit video feature right here. Click on it and you see it throws up an error message. Telling me my display settings aren't high enough to work with the program, and that's a false error message. As you can see right here, if you right click on the desktop, choose screen resolution, you can see right there it's at 1920 by 1080, which is well above their recommended. Anyway, you don't have to mess with your display resolution as long as it meets the minimum requirements, which mine does. So the problem has to lie elsewhere, and I found out where. I'll show you how to remedy that. Close out of this program. Right click on the desktop again, go to personalize, and then choose display. You can see it's set for larger here to increase the size of all items so they're easier to see. Apparently that's where the problem is, and doesn't give enough room for the Roxio video program to work. So you have to reduce that down, and then it'll ask you to restart your machine and apply the new settings. Or not restart the machine, but log out and log back in. Anyhow, I discovered rather than go to medium size at 125%, which is still kind of small to view things, I found that it'll still work. The program Roxio will work if you do custom size options, and you can type in here 140, 140, and then come down here and apply the changes, and then it'll ask you to sign out. So go ahead and sign out. Sign back in. Go ahead and relaunch the program. Go back to videos like I wanted to. Try edit video. So now the program's working. You don't get that error message popped up. So 140% worked well for me, and things are still big enough to work with easier than if it was set at 125%. Then this text would be smaller yet and harder to see. So anyway, that's the solution if you're having the same issues with Roxio Creator 2012 Pro. Might even work with if you're having that problem with newer versions as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.